Okay, so you can combine subqueries with different tables. All right, so for example, this business requirement says I need to get a report of the first name, last name, and email of all my customers who have any invoice totaling more than $10. Okay, so I need to get all the customers that have an invoice for them totaling more than $10. So first things first, let's get a select star from the customer table. It says first name, last name, and email. All right, so this gets me all the customers. That's just normal, right? But I need to say where the customer ID exists in the invoice table, right? So notice invoices are broken down by customer ID. So where the customer ID in, okay, now I use a nested query here. So I say tab here, select the customer ID, okay, from my invoice table, all right, where the invoice total, which is the total column, is greater than $10. All right, so if I zoom out slightly, notice I get all my customers, then I say, hey, get me a subquery or inner query that shows me only the customers that have an invoice totaling $10, and then grab the customer details. See, why do we have to do this? Because the invoice table doesn't hold all my customer details such as first name, last name, and email. You can do this using joins, and I'll be showing you that in the next sections. Okay, so if I run this, notice I get these four customers that have an invoice totaling $10. Okay, so this is how you use a subquery with more than one table.